Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Please ensure to like, share, and subscribe. And also click the bell notification in the top right-hand corner to be made aware anytime I upload tutorials or videos to YouTube. All right, let's craft together. Hey guys, I get asked quite often, how do I do my watermark that covers the entire page? And I'm going to show you how I did mine initially because I'm not experienced on watermarks and logos and things like that. But you guys know I'm a big proponent of using Microsoft PowerPoint, so I use it to the fullest. So all I did was inside Microsoft PowerPoint, I'm going to come here. I'm going to change this slide size to, I'm going to go with 8.5 by 11 in the portrait position and ensure the fit. I'm going to right click layout and I'm going to choose blank so that there's not anything on my screen. And then I'm going to insert from the menu text and I'm just going to start typing in Candoris. And I kind of spaced it out about 5 each time. So I did something like that, and I don't think I'll be able to get another one in there, but we'll see. So that's all I did. I just took Candoris and put it over my entire screen. I then went and found a font that I liked, and I don't remember. I'll just pick something here just so you guys can get the gist of what I'm talking about. So you just come and you find a font that you want to use. Um, I'm gonna go with that one. And then I decrease the size here just to make sure that it goes straight across. And then I just take it and copy it and paste. So I enter twice and paste. Just like that. All right, once you get that done, you're going to right click and say save as picture. And I'm going to save this in my D folder. I'm just going to say watermark 1. And I'm saving it as a PNG, portable network graphic. Save. And now when you come in and you use it, so we say insert picture, this device. I put it in my D folder. And I'm just going to type watermark. And there it is, watermark 1. And there it is. So I can take this now because it's saved as a picture. I can right click this and say format picture and come over to the very last icon where it says picture. I can go to picture transparency and then I can make this as light as I want it. Okay. So I try to go about 54% so that it's not really hiding my image. So if I were to bring a image in here, let's go with an image just so you can get the gist of what I'm talking about. All right, so let's say we bring this image in and we send that to the back. Now my watermark is on top of it. You guys can see that. My watermark is on top of the image, but it's not impacting you being able to see the image, but you can clearly see that my watermark is there. Okay. And sometimes I'll drag this down depending on the size of the image. I'll, make it smaller so that it is not covering up or just, all over the page, but whatever works for you. And again, have my Candores all over the page. And so if I were to save this particular, like in PowerPoint, I would take and make sure I have them both together and I would group. And that way I now have one cohesive picture. And then I could just save as and save it as a picture. All right, so you could do multiple pictures and then, put your watermark on there. But that's how I did mine, just something quick and to the point to keep people from taking my images. I don't know if it works because I've never tried to, go in and remove that from there. But since we're talking about it, let's just see. We're going to save as picture and we're going to put it in the D folder. We're going to say test BG and save. And then I'm going to do a new slide here. And let's go over to remove BG. And we'll see what happens. I'm going to upload our picture. And I think I put it in my D folder. Don't quite remember just that fast, y'all. Yeah, I know I'm getting old. Okay. Maybe I did not save my picture. Hold on. Let me go back, guys. I thought I did. I'm going to go back over to PowerPoint. I'm just going to print screen. All right. Save as picture in my D folder. I want to go back because I thought I typed test BG. Maybe that was it when I said text BG. I don't know. Anywho, we're going to test it out now. So we're going to go to remove background. Let's see where it was. There we go. And we're going to upload that image. And this is just testing out, guys, just to see what happens if somebody goes to like remove BG. What happens? We're about to find out right here. All right. So we're going to download it and take a look. Oops, not that one. Nah. Computer. Downloads. All right. So the watermark is there. You can see it in his face. I'm going to copy this and take it over to PowerPoint so we can look closely. All right. So here's the image. And I'm just going to make it bigger. And you guys can see the watermark is clearly all over them. All right, you see it in his face. You can see it in her face, all on her clothes. So the watermark is there. I made it super light, guys. If I would have left it darker, you would have been able to see it even better. So if I bring it in, I'm going to do it again. If I bring it in, insert picture, this device, and we're going to go back to our D folder. And we're going to grab, I think I put it in my D folder, watermark 1. Okay, we're going to grab that. So if I leave it dark like this, all right, so you can see it's right here. I'm going to put it on her teeth to make it easier for you guys to see when we remove the background. All right, so there we have it. And you can make the words larger or smaller, guys, whatever works for you. I'm just going to print screen. And there we have it. And then I'm going to go here and save that as a picture. I'm going to put it right back in that D folder. SBG1 and save. I'm going to delete that. And now when I go to remove BG, right here, we're going to upload our image. All right, so I think I did test BG1. All right, so we did test BG1 this time. We're going to download it. And then I'm going to go back over to Microsoft PowerPoint. Microsoft PowerPoint. Excuse all the stuff I got on my screen, y'all. I have been busy. We're going to insert that picture, and it would be in our downloads folder right here. And we're just going to enlarge it. But clearly you can see it is there. It removed it from the background, but it did not remove it from the image. Okay, so it's completely saving your work from what I could see, not saving your work, but saving your image from being stolen. So, like I said, you can make it as light or as dark as you want it. Don't worry about all of these showing that, it may be a misspelled word because when you save it as a picture, those red lines aren't going to be there. It's just trying to tell me that this word is misspelled and it's not. All right, so that's it, short and quick and to the point, guys. I just wanted to show you how I use Microsoft PowerPoint. However, if you wanted to do like a logo or something like that, you can go into Canva, and all you have to do in Canva is just type in logo and templates, and let's just go here. And they have all kinds of logos out here. So if you wanted to create a logo, you could do it simply and easily right here in Canva. And some of these with the little crown that indicates that you have to have Canva Pro in order to use that template. But the ones that don't have a crown, you can use those with um, the free version of Canva. So I just clicked on one. I'm going to say customize this template. And all I have to do is photography. Okay, all I have to do is go here and let's say mine is going to be E and D. And I'm going to just say, I'm going to change this right here to say Doris Edwards Photography. And just that quick, I have a logo. All I have to do is just click on, and you can change colors, guys. You can click on it to, do different things with it to edit your image. I'm not going to go through all that, but I just wanted to show you can do it here. And then you would just share it, download, and I'm going to say we're going to put this on page 1. And I'm going to do a transparent background and see if that is going to make it. It's probably going to make it all black. So I'm going to do two. I'm going to do the transparent and then one without the transparency. So share and download. We're going to take the transparency off. I'm going to download it. Now, if I were to go into Microsoft PowerPoint or wherever I'm going to go, I can even do it in Canva. Hold on 1 second. I am going to go home and I'm just going to bring in a custom slide here because I already have images that I can use. So let's say I'm using this image right here and I want to protect it. So I'm going to say upload and we're going to go to our downloads folder because that's where our logos that we just created would be. Open. Now, one I checked transparency, one I did not. So I think this is the one. So the one I said no transparency, the last one, it has a white background. So you want to make sure you do check or click transparency before you save it. And there we have our logo that we could put on top of our image. And just that quick, you have a logo. So whatever works for you guys. I saw a lady on TikTok and she was showing Silhouette Studio and she was showing people how to remove a watermark that was similar to this. I didn't stay on because I didn't want to partake in that, but she was showing them how to remove a logo that was made somewhat like this. I'm pretty sure removing a logo like the way I showed you in PowerPoint is a lot more difficult because it's individual names going across the entire thing. So that's my overall goal. All right. So now you know how to do it two ways. You can do it with the version I showed you in Microsoft PowerPoint, which is really quick, guys. Doesn't take a lot, as you saw. Or you could come and you can create a logo right here in Canva. Okay. And the one I used here was using Canva, the free version of Canva. Any of the ones that have any of those logos that have a crown, you have to have Canva Pro, which is the paid version of Canva. Okay. All right, guys, that's my story. I'm sticking to it. If you are currently in my Facebook group, Ken Dorsey's Cricut and Creative Crafters, I want to thank you so much for being in my Facebook group. If you would like to join my Facebook group, all you have to do is click the link for my Facebook group in the description of this video tutorial, agree to the Facebook group rules, and you're in. And then if you're currently subscribed to my YouTube channel, I want to thank you guys so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel. If you like my method of teaching, I have over 500 video tutorials on all types of crafting projects. Then please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And guys, I'm going to be coming up with a YouTube membership here soon. So stay tuned for that. It's going to be interesting, different ways that you will be able to receive some perks from being a part of my membership on YouTube. So I'll talk more about that later. And guys, that's it. That's all I have. All right. First time, really quick and short, right? All right, guys, that's it. And you guys know my motto is each one reach one so that each one can teach one. And you guys have an amazing day. Bye.